How to learn data science online with 365 Data Science. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to learn data science online with 365 Data Science. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to subscribe to 365 Data Science right here. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So here we are in the 365datascience.com, link in the description below. So yeah, so in here, 365 Data Science tells us that they help busy individuals like us make a career to change AI and data science. So in here we can learn AI online to gain skills and 9 in 10 graduates use for landing high-paying roles. So yeah, so 365 Data Science right here has a lot of courses right that you can choose from regarding AI and data science. So we can check out their courses right here. So these are their courses right here. So they have Introduction to Data and Data Science. So it's 3 hours of content. They also have Intros to AI, AI Strategy, Intro to AI Agents and Agentic AI, Data Strategy, which is their popular one. Their bestseller, which is Introduction to Excel. And they have a lot of courses right here that you can skim and watch on and learn a lot of interesting information about data. So yes, you can check all of these out. And they also have their pricing over here. There you go. They have a free one. So for the free plan, you can view all course previews, have 6 projects, have interactive exercises, practice exams, learning courses, career resources, and 1 AI mock interview. Well, for the self-study right here, for $4.34 a month, if you click on the link in the description below, in here it would include everything in the free plan and plus a lot more features right here that you can use. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can learn data science right here with 365 Data Science. So again, they have a lot of online courses right here that you can choose from. So yeah, so just make sure to click on the link in the description below to view 365 Data Science out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.